of the money changers. Is that right? Amen. And them that sold doves. Amen. Listen, he got he manifested his righteous indignation. He began to plant a cord, amen, that he could use to whip, amen, to drive the people out of his house. He turned over the tables, amen, of the money changers. Amen. He said this, made the statement that, amen, my house shall be called the house of prayer, but you have made it a den of thieves. Now, mind you, the priesthood knew about all this activity that was going on, but was doing nothing to stop it. Amen. But Jesus, amen, referred to the temple as his house. He pointed out that, amen, what his house, amen, was to be called. Is that right? And he pointed out his observation, his judgment of what they were making of his house. God has taught us what is right. And he wants to, amen, further minister to us that we begin to do what's right.